Video 1. Molecules of Life. Subtopic Water. In this topic, there are 5 subtopics, which is water, carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acid. The learning outcome for subtopic 1.1 water is state the structure and properties of water molecules. Okay, based on this diagram, we can see that how this polar bear habitat strongly depends on the structure and properties of water molecule so that the polar bear can survive and reproduce in nature. Up to 60 to 70% of human body containing water. Other than that, the most important thing is water is the solvent for most biological reactions that take place in the body. And then the cytoplasm of a cell is a water-based solution that contains a variety of ions, salts, and molecules which make life possible. There are 3 different physical states of matter, which is solid, liquid, and also gas, also known as water vapor. Structure water molecule. The chemical formula for water molecule is H2O, meaning that there are 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. And the shape for water molecule is V shape with an angle 104.5 degree. This is the V shape for water molecule. The angle is 104.5 degree. We can see that there are 2 hydrogen atoms joining to 1 oxygen atoms by a single covalent bond. The next is how covalent bond form in water molecule. First, we look at the definition of covalent bond. Covalent bond is the bond that forms when 2 atoms share 1 or more pair of valence electrons so that each atom has complete outer shell. So you must know what is meant by valence electron. Valence electron are the electron of an atom located in the outer shell of the atom. For example here, the valence electron for oxygen atom is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And for hydrogen atoms, it has 1 valence electron. So in order to form covalent bond, these 2 atoms will share their valence electron in order to achieve complete outer shell, which is 8 valence electron or 2 valence electron. As we know that water is a polar molecule. This is due to unequal distribution of shared electrons of the covalent bond between hydrogen atom and oxygen atom. Based on periodic table, oxygen atom is more electronegative compared to hydrogen atoms. Okay, because of this characteristic, so the shared electrons of the covalent bond are closer to oxygen atom, or we can say that the shared electrons of the covalent bond will attract more to oxygen atom compared to hydrogen atom, causing the hydrogen atoms to have partial positive charge and oxygen atom will have partial negative charge. Definition of electronegativity. Electronegativity refers to the tendency of an atom to attract shared electron to itself in a chemical bond. The more electronegative of an atom, the more strongly it pulls shared electron toward itself. Back to the structure of water molecule, we know that the bond that joins between hydrogen atom and oxygen atom is called covalent bond. And this bond formed by sharing of valence electron between hydrogen atom and oxygen atom. Oxygen atom is more electronegative compared to hydrogen atom, so that the shared electrons of the covalent bond will more attracted to oxygen atom, causing oxygen atom to have partial negative charge and hydrogen atom to have partial positive charge. So the charge between oxygen and hydrogen atoms depends strongly on electronegativity between oxygen and hydrogen atoms. Polar properties of water allow water molecules to form hydrogen bonds with each other, which is constantly break and reform. Based on this diagram, hydrogen bond represented by dotted line between water molecule and covalent bond represented by continuous line within water molecule. So, in order to form hydrogen bond between water molecule, this hydrogen bond form when the partial positive of one hydrogen atom of one water molecule attracted to partial negative charge of oxygen atom and another water molecule, causing them to stick together. How to draw water molecules? The drawing must include two hydrogen atoms joined to one oxygen atom by a single covalent bond, and make sure the shape of water molecule is V-shaped structure with an angle 104.5 degree, and then there is a hydrogen bond between two water molecules formed between two oppositely charged partial positive charge of one hydrogen atom and partial negative charge of one oxygen atom and another water molecule. One water molecule can form hydrogen bond maximally with other four water molecules. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is because one oxygen atom of one water molecule, it can form two hydrogen bond with other two water molecules because it have two partial negative charge. And for each hydrogen atom of one water molecule, it can only form one hydrogen bond with other water molecule because it has one partial positive charge. Because of these hydrogen bonds, water molecules are able to stick together, and water molecules are attracted to other polar molecules, ionic compounds, and other organic compounds because of this hydrogen bond. In fact, hydrogen bonds largely responsible for the unique properties of water. There are 6 properties of water. First, universal solvent. Second, low viscosity. Third, high specific heat capacity. Fourth, high latent heat of vaporization. Fifth, maximum density at 4 degrees Celsius. And lastly, high surface tension.